Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 9T and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode in this device. So firstly, we have to enter the settings and be aware that firstly I will show you the customization of this mode and then I will show you much faster access to this feature. So now let's scroll down and tap on the display, and on the second position we've got reading mode. So in this device this is the name of the eye comfort mode. So let's enter and let's turn it on immediately just by tapping on the switcher right here. And as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish. It is much more warmer, so it means that it is reducing the blue light, and thanks to this your eyes will be able to be more relaxed, and it will be also easier to use your device in bad light conditions. I mean, if there's a dim light around you. So here we've got the switcher, thanks to which we can adjust the intensity of that feature. So by going to the left we can make it much cooler, and by going to the very right much warmer. Of course, it's up to you which option is the most comfortable for you, so just adjust it like you want. Here we've got also the info that the reading mode will be turned off automatically during the HDR video playback and fingerprint verification. What's more, we can schedule that feature. Just tap on this switcher right here, and here we can custom the period, so we can freely choose the start and end time, but also we can choose the good night read, so it will automatically will be turned on after the sunset. And if you'd like to custom the period, all you have to do is just tap on this option and by swiping choose the one you'd like to use. So I will pick, for example, this one and turn it off at, for example, this one. As you can see, it immediately changes, and it is also immediately applied because the screen turned yellow because we are between those 2 hours. But let me turn off the schedule option, and actually this is the whole customization of the reading mode, and I've promised you that I will show much faster access to this feature. So all you have to do if you'd like to turn on or off the reading mode is to unroll the top bar, and here we have to find the reading mode icon, which is right here. So obviously right now it is turned on. If you like to turn it off, just tap on it and the screen turns back to its normal state. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the reading mode in your Xiaomi Mi 9T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.